1994 Honda Accord air filter replacement. First, you got to undo these screws right here. The second screw, third screw, fourth screw. Already done them. Then you got to take this out. You got to yank it up like that. Just get the draft of the air coming up. Then you should be able to just pull it up, but having a little trouble mine hitting right here on the bracket for the battery. I think that's in the wrong location. So force it up around like that. Then there you have your air filter. You should just be able to pull it out. Like so. Thing pretty nasty. And I got my new filter right there. Let's compare them. This upside down, so let me turn it this way. So it's that same thing. What I like to do, I like to go in there and look, make sure there's no debris or trash, anything or that like that just sitting in there. So it looked very clean. But let's look at this dirty filter again. Got all types of stuff in there. Ain't no telling when this filter will last replaced. I'm the second on the car. I just got the car maybe this past August. Had a blowhead gasket. Got the new head and gasket put on. Tommy Belt water pump while we was at it. So I only paid $500 for it, so it ain't too bad. But the reinstall the filter is the same way. I'm trying to do this one-handed, so it sits in there like that. And all I'm gonna do is try to force this back around this right there. Put that back in there like that. And that's it.